Hello, this is Dr. Faroon, and I hope you know me. I have saved lives for 3 or maybe 4 decades in Baltimore area. But today I am really interested in talking to you about Baltimore County Public Schools. Last Tuesday, the board discussed adding $2.9 billion operating budget for the 2026 year. And looking at the budget, it's much higher than the year before. And the troubling part of it is neither the board members nor the public people, taxpayers like myself and like yourself, have ability to check on the school system to make sure that the school system is efficient and not just simply pouring money, taxpayer money, into trying to solve the issues. If you divide $2.9 billion into the 20,000 employees, I think it comes to about like $145,000 per employee. That's very expensive. And if you divide the same number by $110,000, 110,000 students, then the amount that it costs the system per student is really high, much higher than the private schools in the state of Maryland. The school system does not have openness, does not have transparency, does not respond to taxpayers like myself and many others about any issues that they are dealing with. And basically they are asking us taxpayers to pour in $2.95 billion operating budget for 2026 without them being transparent about it. I think that's wrong. Teachers are very important, no doubt about it, and they deserve more. But you got to make sure the teachers that are employed are effective. You got to make sure that those teachers are the ones that are able to teach the students to be ready to meet the world. And that's not really the case. Our public schools are teaching students to be ready for college or to be a plumber or electrician, and only a small number of them become a university or research students. We as taxpayers need to remember that we have police department needs to be taken care of. We have court system needs to be taken care of. We have roads. I just drove on Liberty Road. So many potholes in there. Every road in Baltimore County has potholes. And it's not just about the school system. And the school system is really not transparent in where they are going to put the money in. So I hope you attend the next meeting. This is why I'm coming up in the public. We cannot afford to have higher taxes. We cannot afford to pour money on problems. It doesn't really solve. You got to really find where is the pork, where is the excess money being wasted, and solve the issues. And of course, teachers need to be effective. There is no proof that the public school system has a large number of effective teachers. I hope you attend next meeting. It's in about 12 days from now on Tuesday. Look them up on bcps.org and come and attend. Speak up, because our county is not heading in the right direction. Not at all.